In this video, I will be sharing with you guys how I shredded water spinach. Let's get started. We will need 1 bunch of water spinach, also known as Ong Choy, and 1 lime or 1 lemon. Try to buy water spinach with young leaves and long stems. I am in the Midwest, and this is the best that I can find at our local Asian markets. Although the leaves are young, their stems are not that long. Here I have 2 bowls of cold water, one with ice and one without ice. First, I remove the tender leaves from the stems and place them in the bowl without ice. As for the stems, they will go into the bowl with ice. The ice will help the stem to be stiffened so they can easily be pushed through the water spinach splitter. I have prepared a bowl of cold water and juice of 1 lime. The citrus prevents the water spinach stems from oxidation. This water spinach splitter is the best tool to shred these stems. This cutter can be bought at many Vietnamese markets for $2. Just gently push the pointy side through the stem like this. After that, just push and pull to split the stem like this. The stems are nice and firm, so they are easily going through the splitter. If you don't have the water spinach splitter, you may use a peeler to shred the stem like this. Check this out. The shredded water spinach stems already curl up beautifully, even though I haven't soaked them in cold water that long. We need to rinse them a few times until the water runs clear like this. I like to use the salad spinner to dry all my vegetables. This is the secret for them to stay fresh longer. Once they are clean and dry, they can last in an airtight container for up to 7 days in the fridge. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking for your loved ones. Please remember to like this video and share it with your family and friends. See you guys next time. Chào cả nhà nha.